Solved problems. Statement of financial position. Problem. Below are accounts taken from the records of Ocampo's Law Office at December 31, 2019. Prepare a statement of financial position using a account form. Note: compute the net income and add to capital. Accounts balances. Cash 150,000. Accounts receivable 75,000. Office equipment 85,000. Furniture 56,000. Office supplies 20,000. Service vehicle 250,000. Accounts payable 210,000. Notes payable 60,000. Ocampo's capital 210,000. Rent expense 60,000. Supplies expense 12,000. Utilities expense 37,000. Salaries expense 60,000. Representation expense 25,000. Transportation expense 30,000. Service revenue 380,000. Solution. Step 1. Let us prepare the trial balance of Ocampo's Law Office as on 31st December 2019. In the books of Ocampo's Law Office, trial balance as on 31st December 2019. Accounts debit, credit. Cash 150,000 debit. Accounts receivable 75,000 debit. Office equipment 85,000 debit. Furniture 56,000 debit. Office supplies 20,000 debit. Service vehicle 250,000 debit. Accounts payable 210,000 credit. Notes payable 60,000 credit. Ocampo's capital 210,000 credit. Rent expense 60,000 debit. Supplies expense 12,000 debit. Utility expense 37,000 debit. Salaries expense 60,000 debit. Representation expense 25,000 debit. Transportation expense 30,000 debit. Service revenue 380,000 credit. Total debits 860,000. Total credits 860,000. Step 2. Let us prepare the income statement of Ocampo's Law Office for the period ended 31st December 2019. In the books of Ocampo's Law Office income statement for the period ended 31st December 2019. Accounts. Amount. Service revenue 380,000. Less expenses. Rent expense 60,000. Supplies expense 12,000. Utility expense 37,000. Salaries expense 60,000. Representation expense 25,000. Transportation expense 30,000. Total expenses 224,000. Profit 156,000. Step 3. Let us prepare the statement of financial position of Ocampo's Law Office as on 31st December 2019. In the books of Ocampo's Law Office, statement of financial position as on 31st December 2019. Accounts. Amount. Assets. Current assets. Cash 150,000. Accounts receivable 75,000. Office supplies 20,000. Total current assets 245,000. Non-current assets. Office equipment 85,000. Furniture 56,000. Service vehicle 250,000. Total non-current assets 391,000. Total assets 636,000. Liabilities. Accounts payable 210,000. Notes payable 60,000. Total liabilities 270,000. Ocampo's capital 210,000. Add profit 156,000. Total capital 366,000. Total liabilities and capital 636,000. Total assets 636,000. Finally, let us prepare the statement of financial position of Ocampo's Law Office as on the 31st December 2019 using account form. In the books of Ocampo's Law Office statement of financial position as on 31st December 2019. Liabilities and equity, amount, assets, amount. On the asset side, assets, current assets, cash 150,000, accounts receivable 75,000, Office supplies 20,000. Total current assets 245,000. Non-current assets: office equipment 85,000, furniture 56,000, service vehicle 250,000. Total non-current assets 391,000. On the liability side, accounts payable 210,000, notes payable 60,000, total liabilities 270,000. Compost capital 210,000, add profit 156,000, total capital and profit 366,000. Total liabilities and equity 636,000. Total assets 636,000. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.